Hello and welcome back. We hope that you are not surprised by today's action. If this is the first lunch of the market that you're listening to, then you may be very concerned. Earlier this week, the message was to sell something, anything, stocks, calls, to raise some cash in order to be ready for a day like today. We don't think that selling pressure ends today either. To be honest, the closer we get to the end of earnings season, the more likely we think it is that the market drifts lower. So it's not too late to do your selling if you haven't raised enough cash. What are we doing today? We went ahead and got short some put spreads. It's likely that we're done selling spreads as we need the rest of our cash to be able to manage our options positions that expire in August. Our biggest challenge remains the NetFlix 190 put spreads that we're short. We haven't decided yet on whether or not we're going to get closer to expiration before we make a move, or if we'll roll the position with with time premium still in the August position. This morning we did sell Akami 35.33 put spreads and NetFlix 85.80 put spreads, both with expirations in August. We also bought puts on Cisco, CSCO, Western Digital, WDC. We want to own both of these names for some time and believe that both stories of networking and storage are still intact. No one ever made a dime panicking, and we don't think today is the day to start. Other moves you should be considering today are selling Visa August 65.60 put spreads, Amazon 105.100 put spreads, and the U.S. Steel August 39.36 put spreads. We're not crazy about going long much here because unless you're talking about select calls on names that have really been ripped this whole week, not just names that are weak today, except Akamai. Akamai is loved by many, many investors and traders, and we bought the September 40-45 call spreads to capture any bounce in the stock. The chart doesn't indicate very much in terms of a direction, other than sideways at the $39 level, which is why we sold the put spreads. We once again added to our call positions in both SH and VXX at the open when the markets were up. Do not look a gift horse in the mouth when you get one. This morning was a great time to add to your hedges, and we did send that out over Twitter. To get the full story over here from us, you really need all the mediums we use, the blog, the Twitter, the YouTube, Ustream channels. To find all those, just visit magnumopusfinancial.com. Check out the MOF News Network for links for everything, including Ustream channel and Twitter feed, which can be watched right from the website without learning how to use Twitter or Ustream. Thanks again for tuning in, and have a great day.